Hello! In today's video, we're going to show you how to manage the user boxes on your Konica Minolta multifunctional printer. First, you need to start by obtaining the IP address of your device. Simply walk up to the control panel and from the main menu screen, select Utility. Then select Device Information. In this screen, you will see the IPv4 address listed. Now that you've obtained the IP address of your device, go back to your workstation and open a web browser. In the address bar at the top, you're going to put the IP address you obtained and press enter. This will bring you to the Konica Minolta PageScope web connection. You'll notice at the top we have information, job, box, direct print, and store address. Today we're going to be using the box tab. When you click on this, it's going to bring you to the user box section of your device. Any user box that you had previously created would be listed here under user box number and name. Let's show you how to create one. On the left-hand column, create user box. This is the screen where we will create our user box. The first field is the user box name. Now, if somebody's had a user box in the past that was specifically box number 45, and they wanted to keep that user box number, you could simply change this to input directly and enter the old user box number here. Use opening number will assign the user box to the first available box number. If you need the user to have a password, maybe because they print sensitive information such as payroll or employee evaluations, you may want to assign a user box password. By checking this box and putting a PIN code in here, when they walk up to the machine and select their user box, they will have to enter this password in order to view the documents that are in it. The index key should match the first letter of their first name. Very important is the auto delete document settings. Every user box created comes defaulted to automatically delete any job stored in the user box after 24 hours. Your options here are 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 7 days, or 30 days. You also have the ability to click on Do Not Delete. Keep in mind that in any medical facility that has to abide by HIPAA regulations, cannot select Do Not Delete on any user box that can potentially have PHI or patient health information stored in it. We recommend anything with PHI be set to 3 or 7 days. After you've selected your automatic delete document times, go ahead and select OK. Return to user box list will bring you back to the main screen that shows you your user boxes you've created, whereas create additional user boxes brings you in so you can create another mailbox. For this instance, we are going to create a forms box. Forms box can be utilized to store blank forms that are often printed to hand out to clients. Typically, a forms box will not have a user box password. Again, select your index key to the letter that matches the name, and on a forms box, always select Do Not Delete. Then press OK. Now that we're done creating our user boxes, let's return to the user box list. Now say, John Doe has left. If you select the mailbox, you have the option to go into the settings of the mailbox or delete user box. Since this employee has left the organization, we'll hit delete, verify the information to be removed, and select OK. As a reminder, removing a user box will also remove the material that has been stored in it that has not yet been printed. Now, let's show you how to get a form into your forms box. You need to know the user box number, which in our instance today is box 3. Open your form, File, Print. Make sure you have the right printer selected and click on Printer Properties. From here, we're going to change our output method from print to save in user box. The file name field and the user box number field will stay populated next time you go to print. So if you don't always want to print in your forms box, in a minute we'll show you how to bring this dialog back up. File name. User box number is box 3. Select OK, and hit print. At this point, if we go into the forms box, we should see our print job sitting there. There it is. From here, I can transmit it, print it, download it to my workstation, or move it or copy it to another mailbox. Now, if we want to print another document, File, Print, select Printer Properties again, and click on User Settings. Let's go ahead and put a document in Henry's box. Enter your file name if you wish, and Henry's box number. Select OK again, and hit Print. Now let's go into Henry's mailbox and see if the data is sitting there. Click on Open User Box because we were in the Forms box making changes. Select Henry's mailbox. And there's our document. To delete it, select it and choose Delete. The next screen, it will prompt you to verify the data you wish to remove. Hit OK, and the document is removed. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. We are here to help.